How to fix Logitech keyboard blinking. To fix a blinking Logitech keyboard, first ensure the issue is not due to a loose connection by checking the USB cable and reconnecting it if necessary. Next, restart your computer as this often resolves minor issues. If the problem persists, try resetting the keyboard by unplugging it, waiting for a few seconds, and then plugging it back in. This can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. Another step is to update the Logitech keyboard drivers. Outdated drivers can cause malfunctioning, including blinking lights. To do this, go to the Logitech website, search for your keyboard model, and download the latest drivers. Additionally, check for any conflicts with other USB devices by trying the keyboard on a different USB port. If the issue is still present, it may indicate a hardware problem. It is also recommended to check the keyboard's battery level if it is wireless, as low battery can cause erratic behavior. Replace the batteries or recharge them if necessary. In some cases, the blinking may be due to a specific key being stuck, so inspect the keyboard for any debris or dust that may be causing a key to stick. Clean the keyboard gently with compressed air to resolve the issue. If none of these steps resolve the problem, it may be worth considering contacting Logitech support for further assistance or to inquire about possible repairs or replacements under warranty. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and potentially fix the issue with your blinking Logitech keyboard. Remember to always handle your keyboard with care and keep it clean to prevent future problems.